Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria here, and today I'm doing a Sticky Club unboxing. This subscription service is basically they send you stickers and other stationery by independent artists who they hire on to do these designs for them. It's about $11 a month, but I think it's going to go up to like $12 soon because I know they had some issues with being able to ship things, so... But anyway, today's theme is Mushroom Picnic. Now this is for the cute pack for, I think this was May's cute pack. So I'm just taking them out of the little folder there. So this first sheet, I love these. They look like Animal Crossing characters, and also the little goblin mushrooms are really cute. This next one is so like cottagecore. Oh, it got stuck to the other one. This wasn't so cottagecore, it's so cute. I just love like how like peaceful everything looks. It's like peak aesthetic. I just adore it. I've definitely got some ideas for journal pages with these. This one has a lot of small environments like out of nature things with these little ghost friends, and I possibly could use that for one of my dollhouse pages, not really sure yet. Next we have these are the label ones. And they have this like cool sketch like cottagecore vibe with these girls and all these other things. I'm gonna love using those so much. Oh, I'm struggling with another sticker sheet over there. So here's those girls in a sticker sheet format. They've got some other accessories with them, including some sandwiches and boots, a basket, a little bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I know I've already looked at, like, because I looked at this stuff to film this, but like, oh my god. Oh, these are so cute. I forgot about these. So look at them trying to carry the little teacups. That's so cute. And that little bunny rabbit definitely looks like an Animal Crossing character to me. So does this bear. He's just vibing. And then we had these multicolored mushrooms, which I thought was pretty cool because like I'm someone who likes smaller stickers for like filling gaps in journal pages or even doing bullet points. Also, tell me this owl does not remind you of Blathers, because oh my gosh, dude, it totally does. But also the tea party aesthetic, like, oh, so cute. Oh, and then here's the stationery holder again. So we also get a memo pad, which this is typically one of the features of the stationery pack. And then, so just showing you guys that it's a little memo pad, pretty cute. And then we get a stamp. So what this, I'm assuming, is supposed to do is we can put it, I think, on like a wooden base. Oh, there's Pumpkin. Put it on a wooden base, and I guess it becomes a stamp, but a little mushroom guy for our stamp. And then, of course, we have our page labels. I think these are supposed to be if you organize them with the Sticky Club, like, organizer, but I don't. I just use these for fun. So, thank you, lovely, so much for watching. Please remember to stay awesome and love yourself.